Hi friends, hope you are all fine. I am here to introduce to my new YouTube channel. This is KK. I would like to welcome to my YouTube channel KK's Knowledge Learning Center. So friends, it is not only a YouTube channel, but it is a center from which you can learn many more things. So let us start the first class. I shall give you very different types of ideas or tricks how you will learn English. It is very easy so that you can learn very easily English and sit in the exam and fetch good marks. So now in this channel, in this video, I would like to give you a new trick how to change or how to convert the affirmative sentences to the negative sentences. How these affirmative sentences are converted, let us see. So friends, you can see the present tense is divided into simple present, present progressive, present perfect progressive, or present perfect continuous, you can say. So in this present simple or simple present, the sentence is written in the form of subject, then comes your verb, then comes your object. Then in the second form, present progressive, that is subject plus is, am or are plus verb ing. Ing is added to the verb. Then comes your present perfect. Here the subject, then have or has comes, then V3 in the sense third form of the verb. Then in the fourth type, that is present perfect progressive or continuous, you can say, that is subject, then followed by have or has, then added to been, then verb plus ing. So I shall give you the examples of each and every sentences of this present tense. So let's see for the first present simple or simple present. Here the sentence may be like this. You can see he plays cricket. From this sentence you can see the sentence is having subject, he is the subject here, then plays is the verb, you can say, and object, that is cricket is the object here. So this simple present sentence is normally written in this format. It is the normal structure of the simple present sentence. So I shall say, or I shall give you the idea how this simple present sentence is converted into a negative sentence, that I shall discuss here briefly so that you will get a clear-cut idea regarding the negative sentence. So let us see how we can convert these affirmative sentences to the negative sentences. So friends, these are some examples which are of simple present. How these simple present sentences are converted into negative sentences, that I shall tell you, and you just see. The first sentence, she teaches English. Here she teaches English. It means that she is the subject here, teaches in the sense it is the verb, and English is the object here. So you have to think, before going to convert this sentence into a negative sentence, you have to go to this box what I have written here. You can see he, she, it, and a noun when it is singular, or when we are going to turn this sentence into negative sentence, that means you are going to write does not. It means you can write like this also, doesn't. You can write also doesn't. Okay, so if the subject is I, we, you, they, or the noun or the subject is plural, so it means that you are going to write do not or don't. So according to this first question or first example that I have given here, she teaches English. So she is the third person singular. So when you are going to convert this sentence into a negative one, that time you will just write she does not, because she is the third person singular here, and she does not teach. Here it was teaches, but you have to write teach. Okay, so she does not teach English. This does not may be written also like this, doesn't. You can write also like this. So come to the second example here. I go to my school. So I, you go to the table. Here you see I. When you are going to turn it into a negative sentence, that time you will write like this. I do not. I do not go to my school. Otherwise you can write also do not means don't, you can write also. If you want you can write don't. That is in short form don't. Okay. So they play in the park. They is plural here. So they do not, you have to write. When you are going to convert this sentence into a negative sentence, so you will write like this: they do not play in the park. Then comes your, you read the Ramayana. You read the Ramayana. You come here, you see you. It means that the negative sentence will be do not. So, you do not read the Ramayana. Do not. Don't, you can also write. Then comes your Rohan likes cricket. Rohan likes cricket. So here I have written also, you can see, when the noun or the singular, when the subject is singular, Rohan is a boy, yes or not? So it is singular, the noun is singular. So you are going to write Rohan doesn't like cricket. Rohan doesn't like cricket. Then comes your John. John draws beautiful pictures. John is also singular. So you are going to write, when it is in negative form, John doesn't draw beautiful pictures. Then comes your we live in Delhi. We live in Delhi in the sense we is plural. Yes or not? So if the subject is plural, you have to add plural verb. Yes or not? So we do not live. We do not live in Delhi. Then comes he is my best friend. He is my best friend. He means it is singular. So is will be used there. He is not my best friend. So these are the examples that I have given for the simple present sentence, how this sentence can be converted into a negative sentence. Then we shall discuss about briefly about the present progressive tense, about the present progressive. We shall discuss briefly about the present progressive, present perfect and present perfect continuous. So friends, I have already discussed about the simple present sentences, how they are converted into a negative sentence. Then we shall discuss about the present progressive. As you know, I have told you earlier, this present progressive sentence is written in the form of subject, then added to is, am, are, then verb plus ing. So these present progressive sentences are written in this form. So how we can convert these sentences into a negative sentence, that I shall discuss here. Here are some examples you can see. My mother is cooking for us. My mother is cooking for us. You are going to convert this sentence into a negative sentence. Negative sentence in the sense what? You are just going to add not. You are just going to add not to the sentence. So when you are going to add not to this sentence, how it will be added? So my mother is, here comes your verb, is, then you just have to add here not. My mother is not cooking food for us. Then you see, they are playing kho-kho. So they are playing kho-kho in the sense, if you are going to convert this sentence into a negative sentence, so you have to just add not. They are not playing kho-kho. Then we are catching fish. We are catching fish. If this sentence is going to be converted into a negative sentence, that time you have to just write like this. The subject is we. It was written. So we are. Then you have to add not. We are not catching fish. Then I am reading a book. I am reading a book. So I. Then comes your am. Here you just added not. I am not reading a book. Then comes your he is walking along the road. He is walking along the road. So when you are going to convert this sentence into a negative sentence, at that time you will just write like this: he is not walking along the road. Then she is buying vegetables. She is buying vegetables. She is not buying. It means that you have added here not. She is not buying vegetables. Then you are sleeping on the bed. You are sleeping on the bed. When this sentence is converted into a negative sentence, at that time you will just write like this: you are not sleeping. You are not sleeping. So these are the minimum forms of present progressive. So how these sentences are converted into negative sentences, you could just see from the examples. But you have to remember one more thing, that is I am not. You can write amt. You are not. Aren't also you can write like this, aren't. Okay. She has or she has not. She hasn't. Like this you will write. Okay, sir. So this is all about the present progressive tense or present progressive form, how these sentences are converted into negative sentence. Then comes your present perfect. How these present perfect sentences are converted into negative sentence, we shall discuss now. Now you can see I have got some examples of a present perfect sentences. So you have to remember, and I have already told you early, the present perfect sentence is written in the form of subject, comes your have or has, then V3 in the sense third form of the verb. So here I have written, you see, he has done the work. He has done the work. So it means that he has not done the work. So when you are going to convert this sentence, a present perfect sentence, into a negative sentence, at that time you have to do like this, he hasn't. He hasn't. When you are going to convert this sentence into a negative sentence, at that time you have to do like this, he has not done the work. Then comes your I have completed my homework. I have completed my homework. So when you are going to convert this sentence into a negative sentence, you will do or you will write like this, I have not completed or I haven't completed my homework. Then comes your example 3, they have read the book. They have read the book. They haven't read the book. You can see they haven't read the book. Then comes your she has opened the door. She has opened the door. So when you are going to convert this sentence into a negative sentence, you have to just add not. Where she has not opened the door. Then comes your Ram has drawn this picture. So Ram has done this picture. It means that Ram has not drawn this picture in its negative form. So one more thing you have to remember, you can see here haven't. You have to write like this. If you write like this, it is also no problem. Has not, it means hasn't. Like this you can write also. So this is all about the present perfect sentence, how this sentence is converted into a negative sentence. Then finally in the present tense, the final form, that is present perfect continuous, that I shall discuss. Now you see, I have got some examples of present perfect progressive tense. Or you see, the minimum format or the minimum skeleton of this sentence is subject, then comes your have or has, then comes your been, and finally verb plus ing. This is the minimum skeleton of this sentence. I have got some examples for you. You see, she has been reading a book. They have been playing cricket. I have been waiting for you. Then comes your you have been drawing a picture. We have been working here. So these are the 5 examples how these sentences can be converted or will be converted into negative sentence. You just see, she has not been reading a book. She has not been reading a book. When you are going to convert this sentence, you get a doubt. It means that you are going to add not to the sentence. You have to just add not to the sentence. But you or we normally get a doubt. A doubt is created within us where the not is to be added. Here or here or here. So you see, when you are going to add not to the sentence, it means that she has, the helping verb here. She has here. She has not been reading a book. So the second sentence, they have been playing cricket. They have not been playing cricket. Then comes your I have been waiting for you. So I have not been waiting for you. Then comes your you have been drawing a picture. You have not been drawing a picture. Then comes your we have been working here. We have not been working here. This is all about the present perfect progressive sentence, how these sentences are converted into negative sentence. So friends, I have already discussed about the simple present tense, simple present form, present progressive form, present perfect form, then present perfect continuous form. So how these four formats or four forms of the sentences are converted into negative sentences, I have already discussed. This will help you to know how these sentences are converted into negative sentences which will be in the present tense. And if you find any doubt, then you can ask me on my comment box. If you really liked my channel and if you feel that you can learn something in English from my channel, so please kindly like, share and never forget to subscribe my channel so that I shall get many more videos for you and you can learn many more things from my channel. Thanks.